Hello friends, we are back with another video. Right now we are looking for a daily 1 hour chart. So look at this. We didn't get to our area right now. We bounced from this area of 1 hour time frame. This sport that I have created recently on 1 hour, but we didn't test this recent area. You can almost tested this area, our area 25,200 to 25,400. This would be area. As you know that in sport and resistance are not just one single line. It is not a single value. It is the area or zone, you can say. Right now we are creating just a lower highs or smaller time frame. So we don't expect a more much more right now. But if we get more, we can expect if we close below this area. This is, yes, this area. This is strong area on smaller time frame. If we close below or pull back to this area after breaking out this area, then we can take trades on smaller time frame to get this target 27,400 to this area, 27,800 area. Otherwise, there is high possibility that we test this area before moving upward or this area. On daily, I think 24,800 level is also there. Let me check. Yes, look at this. This is also strong area. This would be your zone if it retested to this area, then you can expect a good bounce from this area to make 5 to 6% profit. So now move toward other coins, Ethereum first. This is daily chart of Ethereum. This would be our recent export area, and this would be also an area. So what I think it would test to this area. This would be the strongest area right now. But if we lose this area, then I would say that this would be no longer an uptrend if we lose this area around 1300. Otherwise, if we bounce toward this area or this area, these strong areas, then we can expect a move toward this area. You can get around 10 to 12% profit. Look at this. If you get a rejection from these areas, this demand zone, you can remove this maybe, I think. And this would be your demand area. It's right now in demand area. Look at this. But remove this. Let me remove this. So this would be our strong areas, 1770 and 60 and 60 areas. So these are areas that if we retest and rejected these areas, then we can expect a good move toward this area. Otherwise, there is no trade for me right now here. Let me move toward 4 hour time frame. Look at this. Right now candle closes is red. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. There is two smaller candle that closes right now. Say two candle closes and third is open brown. As you can, the smaller candles are very smaller right now. There is no momentum. I have already told you in many videos. Hey, let's move toward another coin. Here we go. Let's start with weekly time frame. Okay, here we go. We have, let me remove this some lines. We broke this area of support, this area of support we can say, and broke this area and move toward this area, as I have already to warn you about this. So right now this area is in play. Look at this area. This is our area. Right now we are on our this area zone, but this would be our second strongest zone, second strongest and most strong zone. That I also wanted, if I want to trade this, because look at this. This is right now in, you can say that it's in inverted. No, it's an head and shoulder. We can expect a move toward downward, but what I don't think so that we can go down before moving in upward direction. Before giving any bounce, we cannot go to downside. But this would be the, let me share a few scenarios. First, we break out this, we already on sport right now. We either, first scenario would be we bounce from this, get rejection a smaller time frame and move toward this area, 94,444 area. Second scenario would be we break this area. If BTC broke that area and move toward 24,800 or 25,200, now we can expect a move toward this area. If BTC move move downward, then this would be most likely we can get to bounce from this area, 2064.22 area. This would be an important second area. And if we hold this and reject, I've already told you this scenario one. Scenario two would be if we broke this area, then we are expecting a move toward the 64 area. If we get there, rejected one, then we can expect a bounce from toward this area, 75 area, before moving downward. Maybe we can break out this area, retest, or we can directly move toward this area. We don't know right now, but these are the few possible scenarios that are in play. Right now we have to wait for strong momentum candle of rejection before taking any sort of trade.